Hi everyone, welcome to our new episode of Jivaniya. Today we will learn about present Kathak exponents who are disciples of great gurus mentioned in earlier episodes.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Guru Dr. Rajkumar Ketkarji. Rajkumar Ketkarji's original name is Ashok Shankar Ketkar. He has completed his Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Padma Shri Nataraj Gopi Krishna Ji. He also got opportunity to learn Kathak from Guru Chaube Maharaj Ji, Mohan Rao Kalyanpurkar Ji and Pandit Lachu Maharaj Ji. Seeing his mastery over the dance, Gopiji entitled him as Prati Gopi Krishna. He achieved a degree of Sangeet Praveen and also has been awarded with PhD from Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Meerut for his research titled Gopi Krishna यांचे कथक मधील योगदान in 1989. He choreographed several dance dramas and gathered a lot of appreciation for his performances. He has a mastery over the dance Tandav Nritya. He is felicitated with many more awards. He performed at various stages. He started his own Kathak institute in the name Nataraj Nritya Niketan and nurtures number of students from last 50 years. He is awarded with Thane Gaurav Puraskar on the occasion of 21st anniversary of Thane Municipal Corporation in 2003. His son, Mr. Giridhar Ketkar, is also a good Kathak dancer. Guru Manisha Satheji. Manisha ji started her Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Pandit Balasaheb Gokhale ji in Pune and completed under the guidance of Guru Nataraj Gopi Krishna ji in Mumbai. She started her own dance institute in the name Manisha Nrityalaya in Pune and nurtures number of students from last 45 years. She has performed at many conferences and dance festivals like Savai Gandharva Sangeet Mahotsav, Shanwarwada Dance Festival, Khajuraho Dance Festival, Lucknow Dance Festival, Kamakhya Festival Guwahati, Nehru Center Mumbai, Tata Theatre Mumbai, etc. She performed at various stages individually and also with her students in and outside the country. Her choreographies in classical and contemporary Kathak dance form have been revered by one and all in dance festivals of high esteem. She has also choreographed for Marathi films like Sarkarnama and Varsa Lakshmicha and others. She has been awarded the Best Dance Directors Awards. She is felicitated with many awards like Maharashtra State Cultural Award, Citadel Excellence Award, Ganavardhan's Vijaya Bhalerao Puraskar, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ श्री गोळवलकर गुरुजी पुरस्कार, अजित सोमन स्मृती पुरस्कार, श्री अशोक परांजपे पुरस्कार, etc. She has won great renown for presenting Kathak along with Japanese music. Manisha ji and Mr. Yasuhito Takimoto, a Japanese musician and taiko player, have given the most unforgettable fusion concerts over the last 25 years. World Peace Art Festival, Divine Confluence have been some of the recent programs presented through this international collaboration. Her collaborative choreographies are a wonderful blend of traditional Kathak, contemporary music, and energetic taiko playing. More than 100 Indians, Chinese, and Japanese artists have been a part of these events in India, Japan, and China. She is a guide for PhD students in Pune University. Several of her students have been awarded scholarship and fellowships by CCRT and Ministry of Cultural Affairs, Government of India. She is a visiting faculty and honorary guru in institutions like the Center for Performing Arts, Pune University, Bharati Vidyapith School of Performing Arts, Pune, and Videocon Academy. This year, Manishaji presented a very unique production, Nritya Dhara, performed by Manishaji, her daughter Shambhaviji, daughter-in-law Tejaswiniji, and granddaughter Sarveshwari. It is an extremely unique performance in the Kathak world. Guru Dr. Manjiri Devji. Manjiri ji started her Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Pandit Badrinath Kulkarni ji and Guru Ashatai Joglekar ji, and learned traditional and Gharanedar Kathak forms under the guidance of Padma Shri Nataraj Gopi Krishna ji, and also learned Acharya Sukhadev Maharaj ji's dance style from Padma Shri Sitara Devi ji. She achieved the degree of MA in Marathi in first class, Nritya Visharad, Nritya Alankar. She achieved PhD in Kathak, specializing in Kavitya Chanda from Khairagad University under the guidance of Guru Dr. Puru Dadit ji and Dr. Viva Dadit ji. She performed at various stages in and outside the country. She choreographed for Amrapali, Suryastuti, Dashavatar, Geet Ramayan, and various innovative and experimental dance choreographies. She is felicitated with Thane Gaurav Award, Pandita, Vocational Excellence Award, Nritya Shiromani, late Madhurita Sarang Smriti Jivan Gaurav Award, Thane Nagar Ratna, Matrupitru Pratishthan Samaj Gaurav Award, Sangeet Kalaratna Award, We Care Excellence Award, Lokaranga Sanskriti Mancha Jivan Gaurav Award, Nritya Kiran Jivan Gaurav Award, Krutartha Kala Jivan Award, Kalananda Award, Nritya Kala Niketan Award, Chaitanya Award, Kinkini Mahotsav Award, All Ladies League Excellence Award, Kalanjali Appreciation Award, Natya Shri Award, and Mrudugandha Award. She wrote Grantha, Nritya Saurabh, Kathak Kaumudi, Kavitya Chanda, etc. Books Olak Kathakchi, Kathak Se Pehchan, Introduction to Kathak, Insight into Kathak, articles in various magazines. Rewrote and compiled Padma Shri Dr. Sitara Deviji's father, Acharya Sukhadev Maharajji's Grantha. Dr. Manjiri Dev has published a book on her research paper which is of great value for the world of classical dance. This research paper has helped everyone who is learning and performing Kathak dance form. This book contains more than 400 kavitya. The subjects of this kavitya are stories of God and Goddess, description of nature and seasons, description of New Year, and about Nayak Naika Bhed. She started her own Kathak institute in the name Sri Ganesh Nritya Kala Mandir at Thane and nurtures number of students from there from last 40 years. Guru Vaibhav Joshi ji. Vaibhav ji was born on 24th February 1972. He completed his Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Padma Shri Nataraj Gopi Krishna ji. He efficiently performs solo performances like his Guruji. he started his own dance institute under the name Dharohar on 24th February 2004. Dharohar have 11 branches, 9 branches in Mumbai and 2 in abroad, Germany and South Africa. He performed at various stages like Kala Ghoda Festival, Maharaj Kalka Bindadin Kathak Mahotsav, Natraj Gopi Krishna Sangitotsav, etc. He also performed at abroad and gathered a lot of appreciation for his performances. He got an opportunity to present his performances in front of presidents of South Africa Mr. Nelson Mandela ji, Thabo Mbeki ji, Jacob Zuma ji and India's ex-president late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. He performed and choreographed for films Mrityudand, Ishwar, Zid, Vishwamitra, etc. TV serials Mirza Ghalib, Channel 4, Mahabharat, The Great Maratha and many advertisements. He works as dance teacher and dance director at Nateshwar Dance Academy, Durban, South Africa. He works as an actor and choreographer in Hindi theatre from last 20 years with the group Yatri Theatre. His performance Bombay Crush made history in South Africa. Vaibhav ji is felicitated with Shrungar Mani Award and Kalarpan Puraskar. Guru Shamatai Bhateji. Shamatai ji has completed her Kathak education under the guidance of Guru and mother-in-law Pandita Rohini Bhateji, and also got an opportunity to learn from Pandit Birju Maharaj ji and Mohan Rao Kalyanpurkar ji. She established her mastery over Tal and Lay by learning from Pandit Suresh Talwalkar ji. She started her own dance institute in the name Nadaroop at Pune in 1987 and nurtures number of students from there till today. She composed and choreographed number of dance dramas like Nishabda Bhed, Stri Man Ki Anchhui Gahrai, Echoes of Inner Voice, Chaturanga Ki Chaupal, Kathak Infinite, Nirakar Sakar, Confluence, Pid Parai Jane Re, Yatra Narayatsu Pujjante, Nada Bindu, etc. She has held many important positions and has contributed to those institutes by her original point of view, like as member of advisory committee at Sangeet Natak Academy and Kathak Kendra Delhi, as a member of selection committee at Khajuraho Dance Festival, a member of board of studies at Lalit Kala Kendra, University of Pune, as a PhD guide at Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapith, Pune, as a Kathak Guru at Avartan Gurukul, Pune, as an advisor at Multiversity Dance Gurukul and as an advisor and member of governing council at MIT Vishwashanti Gurukul, as a member of syllabus committee at Kathak Kendra New Delhi, Goa Kala Academy, Akhil Bhartiya Gandharva Mahavidyalay Mandal, Pune University, KK Wagh University, Nashik, as a visiting professor at Nalanda Dance Research Center, Mumbai Vidyapith, visiting expert Kala Academy at Goa, as Kathak visiting professor at Kathak department at Bharat College, Performing Arts School, Bharati Vidyapith, Pune. She is felicitated with Maharashtra Rajya Puraskar, Kundanlal Gangani Award, Rohini Bhate Puraskar, Times Power Woman, Bundeli Gaurav, Nehru Yuva Kendra Puraskar, Yuva Puraskar, Kathak Samarpan, Durga Mata Shakti Puraskar, ज्येष्ठ गुरु सम्मान, कला दर्पण पुरस्कार, कला संवर्धन पुरस्कार, कला गौरव पुरस्कार, etc. Guru Mukta Joshi ji. Mukta ji was born at Thane, Mumbai. She loves Indian classical music from childhood. She completed her Kathak education under the guidance of Guru Roshan Kumari ji. She completed her academic education BCom and LLB from Mumbai University. She worked as an advocate at Thane Central Court for few years, but because of love for Kathak, she stopped working as advocate and concentrated on Kathak. She started her own Kathak Institute in the name Nrityadhara Kathak Institute at Thane in 1988 and nurtures number of students from there till today. She performed at various stages along with her students in and outside the country. She has worked at panel of ICCR means Indian Council for Cultural Relations. She is also the Doordarshan's A-grade artist. She conducts different activities related to Kathak. Guru Rajashri Shirkeji. Rajashriji was born on 15th November 1951. She started her Kathak education under the guidance of Guru D.S. Satamkarji and completed under the guidance of Guru Madhurita Sarangaji. She learned Lucknow, Banaras and Jaipur Gharana's dance style from her Guru Madhuritaji. She completed her MA in Hindi from SNDT Women's University, Mumbai and also completed her MA in Bharatnatyam from Nalanda Nrutyakala Mahavidyalaya, Mumbai. She achieved senior fellowship from Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She learned facial expressions from Guru Padma Shri Dr. Kanak Releji. She performed at various dance mahotsav individually and along with her students. She also performed and choreographed at several TV channels like Doordarshan, Doordarshan Metro, Sahyadri, ETV Marathi and also at Akashvani Mumbai. She worked as selection committee member at Central Ministry of Culture, India and National School of Drama, New Delhi. She guided Kathak learners by arranging Kathak workshops at all over India and abroad. By searching meaning of the line Katha kahe so Kathak kahave, she used temple's Katha Kathan style means telling a story with performing on it and presented her performances on the number of stages. She presented Ramayana Mahabharata's characters' lifestyle stories and Meghdut, Chaturved Chaturvrutti, Sangit Kanopatra, Gheyi Ha Chand Makaranda, Ravan Mandodari Sanwad and many other important stories. She started her own Kathak Institute in the name Lasya on 15th November 1980 and nurtures number of students from there till today. From last 15 years, through her institute Lasya, she conducts diploma and advanced diploma courses in Kathak at Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension Work, SNDT Women's University. She is felicitated with Mumbai Mayor Award, Adarsh Shikshak, Marathi Sahitya Sangha Award, High Achievers Award, Sangeet Natak Akademi Award, Best Actress Award, etc. Her son, Mr. Aniruddha Shirke, is also a good music artist. We will meet again on next Thursday. Thank you.